You're signing the paperwork for your dream executive condominium. Excited, children choosing bedrooms, planning renovations, looking forward to the pool, gym, private condo lifestyle. Then someone tells you one simple fact. You may not be able to freely unlock the value of this property for almost 15 years. Not 5, not 10, 15 years from the day you commit. That single fact changes everything. Yet many Singaporeans still don't fully appreciate what just happened. The latest EC policy changes aren't merely another cooling measure. They represent one of the biggest structural shifts in Singapore's housing market in recent years. For decades, ECs served two purposes. They were homes and stepping stones to wealth creation. Today, the government is deliberately separating those two objectives. The question every upgrader must now ask is no longer, can I afford an EC? Instead, does an EC still fit my long-term wealth strategy? Why ECs were so popular? To understand why these new rules matter, we first need to understand why ECs became so successful. Singapore's housing system was designed with progression in mind. Many Singaporeans begin with an HDB flat. As incomes increase, families aspire to upgrade. Executive condominiums became the perfect bridge between public housing and private property. They offered private condominium facilities, lower entry prices through government-supported land, strong long-term appreciation potential, a pathway into private housing. For years, this formula worked exceptionally well. Families upgraded from HDB into an EC, waited the minimum occupation period, sold, then progressed into larger private properties. The system rewarded disciplined ownership. But eventually, something changed. ECs became investment products. Originally, ECs were designed to help middle-income Singaporeans enjoy better housing. Instead, many buyers began treating them as wealth generation machines. After completing the 5-year MOP, many owners sold almost immediately. The gains were substantial. Instead of becoming long-term homes, ECs increasingly became financial stepping stones. Statistics showed a dramatic increase in owners selling shortly after their MOP ended.